going to make a fire snake. So for fire snake, what we need basically three ingredients and three tools. So the three ingredients are baking soda and powdered sugar, and we also need either spirit, any lighter fluid or sanitizer. Now the tools that we need are matches, aluminium foil and a plate. So now these both, that is aluminium foil that is covered on the plate, is just to prevent the fire from spreading and is only for safety precautions. Now what we are gonna do is mix these both and then put them on fire. So now let us begin. First of all, we are gonna have to thoroughly mix these both substances and then put them here and then light them on fire. Here I am using the sanitizer as a fuel. So this much fuel should be enough. Okay, so now it has lightened up. Now we just have to wait and watch until this forms fire snake. So now here you can see, as the flame goes on, there are certain these black things rising, and when these will rise fully, it will form a black colored substance that will be in spiral formation and will look like a snake. So now we just need to wait and watch. Here you can see while the fire snake is being formed. Now this black substance that you see is the byproduct of the reaction between baking soda and sugar when they are heated strongly by the fire. And now this residue, that is the byproduct, will grow and form a shape of a snake. So now let us just leave it and wait.